Got the Keychron, put the silicone in the bottom. So, like, I had to take it apart. I dropped it in my other video, or right during it. So I had to bend that back. That was pretty bent. It wasn't working. So there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Had to find those. Mix this stuff up. Pour it in there. Should have done it before and after. The thing is, like, these are the only metal pieces to it. So it says like aluminum, but you only have these plates around the metal, around the plastic. So it kind of sounds not as good as it could. This might help.